Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Baldwin here helping out Miss Farmer. I'm going to make a video that shows you how to submit your assignments. So this is the Google Classroom page for Miss Farmer. I'm going to go down to this assignment that says Evolution Vocabulary. There are two PowerPoints you need to read through in order to do the assignment. So you should have a page that looks like this, and you're going to click on this document that says your work. Once you get here, in the directions says write your name and evolution vocabulary as the title. So mine, to make things easier, is just going to be Baldwin Evolution Vocabulary. Generally speaking, it's a lot easier to submit things using your last name than it is your first name. So I'm going to type in a definition of evolution that is different from what Miss Farmer says. So that means you cannot copy my definition. You have to go in and read what Miss Farmer assigned to you. So I'm going to say evolution is the development of a simple life form to something more complex. So you're going to do that for all 10 of these words. Then what you're going to do is go to this button up here that says Turn In. And it's going to bring you back to Google Classroom. And it says one attachment, and it should be the document you were just working on. Click Turn In again. Then it's going to think for a second and you should be all done. Now, if you didn't finish or you realized you used the wrong word, you can click unsubmit and do it over, but generally speaking, that's not needed. Hope this helps you guys. Bye.